welcome to Study Stuffs. So today we are going to talk about the fee structure of Aakash for Medical IIT JEE and Foundation. And you can see the fee booklet for Classroom Courses 2020 to 2022, Foundation Courses Class 9 and 10th, NTSC and Olympiad, Medical NEET, Engineering JEE and other entrance. Yeah, the fee booklet is here, and so let's begin the video. Yeah, so before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So here you can see the find your best scores. Foundation course you can see class 9 and 10, 1 year, 2 years, 1 year and test series. For medical courses 2 year classroom course for NEET. Studying class 12 is 1 year short term course. For engineering courses you can see 11th studying 2 year, 12th studying or past 1 year, and for short term course. You can also see multiple mode of payments, DD, debit card, net banking, Paytm or UPI, and many others. Yeah, let's talk about the foundation course first. So yeah, this is the foundation course fee structure. This is 1 year integrated classroom program, and you can see the registration fees is 8,000, admission fee 12,000, tuition fees is respectively 4,000 and 15,000, technology fees is around 1,253 and 3,890, examination fees 817 and 2,537, and you can see the total fees is around 27,000 and 21,729, and total fee with GST is 31,000, and here you can see 25,640, and it including GST it is around 56,000, and total course fee is 48,000 but plus GST is also written there. This is for class 9th and 1 year program, and for class 9th student 2 year program, in which you are gonna to study 2 year in Aakash for class 9th as well as 10th. Same registration and admission fees is 8,000 and 12,000 respectively, and total fees you can see 69,000 and 35,000 respectively for first year and second year installments, and total course fee is around 92,000 as well as GST is added on. And for 1 year classroom program, the students who are in class 10th, you can see the same as earlier. 8,000 is registration fees, 12,000 is admission fees, and tuition fee, technology and examination fee are written here. You can see all the stuff, and total fees is 29,000 and 28,000 respectively, and total fees with GST is rupees 34,810 and 33,489, and if you add all the stuffs and you're gonna to pay 65,000 including GST, and total course fee is around 57,881 plus GST. You can take all the information from this, and you can also take a screenshot if you want to do. And for short term courses you can see here, take a screenshot and if you want to, and here all the stuff is given, but one thing is noted: the scholarship is only offered on tuition fee only. So let's talk about medical courses. Yeah, medical courses fee structure for class 11th. You can see registration fees is 15,000, admission fee is 22,000, and total fees is 59,000, and total fee with GST is 69,000, and for all the installment it is given as you see. And here you can see total course fee is 2,08,000 plus GST, and after including GST it is 2,32,000, and you will get 10% off on tuition fee if you pay one time. And you can also take screenshot from here for all the stuffs. And this is for class 11th studying student. I will suggest you to pause the video and read all the stuffs written there, and total course fee is 2,08,000 plus GST. And as usual you can read all the stuffs. And for class 12th studying student, for all the detail you can pause the video. My suggestion is this, and this is short term courses you can see. And yeah, scholarship is offered on tuition fees only. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for medical courses. I will again showing all of the medical courses program, though you can take a screenshot or you can pause the video. And again I am saying, if you have any doubt, ask in comment section. I will surely try to answer all of them. So lastly let's talk about engineering courses. So yeah, engineering courses fee structure for class 11th studying student, and this is 2 year. You can see total course fee is around 1,93,000 plus GST, as well as including GST it is 2,15,000, and you will also get 10% off. And yeah, just pause the video and take a screenshot, or pause the video and note down all the things. And you can see here the registration fees is 15,000, admission fees is 22,000. This is for 2 year. So and this is also for 2 years, but the thing is it is started in second week of June, July or August, and this is third week of March, second week of April and May. So yeah, this is looking the same as the previous one. And for class 12th studying past, this is for 1 year. It's all for 1 year. You can see registration fees 10,000, admission fee 15,000. Just pause the video and note down all the things. And yeah, this is the short term courses you can see. And yeah, also scholarship is offered on the tuition fees. So yeah, you can scan for the nearest center, and this is from Varanasi center. And this free booklet, and as you already watched the video, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and hope you subscribe our channel. And if you want such amazing videos, then tell me in comment. And if you want to ask something about this fee structure, then ask in comment. I will surely reply you. So yeah, if you have still some questions regarding the fee structure, then ask me in comment. I will surely try to reply all of them. And my suggestion is to pause the video, and you can find all the stuffs that you need. So yeah, this is for now. Bye bye, signing off.